we are in a weird time right now where we are in isolation, we're in quarantine because of this coronavirus. But that doesn't have to stop us from getting our creative on. I found a way so that we can have online classes and interact together real time. I tested it out this past weekend in a 4-hour workshop and it worked amazing. It worked fabulously. So I'm actually going to show you a clip real quick of that workshop so you can see kind of the layout, how it works, and it's amazing the technology that we have so that we can be able to still communicate even though we've got social isolation. We can still build that community of artists that support and build each other up. So let's go over to that clip real quick.
Cobalt blue, unless you want to use this. So this particular painting is what's called an analogous painting. And oh, okay. So what I was just doing, I did go up into his body, and so oh my God, the one in the background so stinking cute. What I see,
I know.
what I see is the nose looks like a cross. So
Yes.
you see that too?
Yeah.
So you add like just the little highlights.
All right, so here's mine. I put the that stuff that makes it kind of the solvent-free gel
Uh-huh.
with the white.
Oh, yeah.
Cute, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Well,
Ooh,
one
I
thing-
like your feet. Great.
One thing that I see is nice and fluffy. I like all that. And the one thing I see is his nose. Maybe
Yeah.
we can add like some dark kind of around his nose so it sets out as a separates the plane.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Kind of like, you know how we've got our nostrils and it's darker around here.
So as you can see, it's actually a really cool setup. You're able to see my canvas, my palette, and then me talking. And when I wasn't talking, what would happen is it would switch over to the participants, and whoever was talking there got the priority in the video. So we were able to share with each other the paintings that we were working on and discuss them and help each other. It was fabulous. And you know what? We got to do it without shoes. One lady was in yoga pants, another lady was in a hat. You know, it was just, we were free to be ourselves and we didn't have to lug around all of our oil painting supplies. It was amazing. So, how to actually register for the class. Now I'm going to take you to my website. So this is StephanieWeaverArtist.com. In StephanieWeaverArtist.com, what you'll see up the top is art classes. So I do offer several different methods of art classes. First, I offer, there's workshops, and you have listed some of the workshops that are coming up. And right now, these are all in person. I have not designated them to be online just yet, but that is a definite possibility now. So stay tuned for that. We also have our weekly classes. So currently I offer classes every Wednesday and Friday. The Wednesdays are in the evenings, which is fabulous for those who have to work or have other responsibilities. Then we have our Friday morning classes, which are great for those that are retired, stay at home, or in this case, we've got a lot of people at home who can probably afford the time now to walk away from their work that's now probably consuming them from 8 in the morning until about 7 at night. It's kind of one of the disadvantages of working from home. I worked from home for about 10 years. I know this. So you can then take the advantage of the Friday classes that will be online. So, and then of course I have online courses, and these online courses are available 24/7. Once you purchase them, they are yours to work at your own pace. They include downloadables, they include instructional video, and they are closed captioned for the hearing impaired. So lots of good stuff there. So we have a lot of good options for online and in person. So for the online courses over the next several weeks, as we are in this social isolation period, I want you to continue to work together, and that's where this online weekly classes comes into play. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go up to my art classes here. I'm going to click schedule classes. From here, you actually see two things. There's new, so if you're new and never taken from me before, this is the route that you'll go. From those who are returning and typically attend my weekly classes that we do in person, you'll want to click return and manage my classes, and there you'll log in and actually manage your packages and sign up for additional classes. Okay, for those that are new, you're going to come on down and you're going to select your day and time. Now I do limit the size of my classes because I want to make sure that everybody gets individual attention. How these classes work is you bring in what you're interested in working on, and I help you through the process. So there's going to be a lot of interaction on these online as well as in-person classes. Now, once you've selected the date that you would like to start your class, here you'll notice there's 8 spots left. I can click here, scroll down and move to the next screen, and here I will log in, pay for the class, and then I will also receive, you notice you can sit here and receive text messages. This is a great thing to do so you can get those text reminders that you have a class coming up. Okay, once you sign up, I'll then send you a meeting invitation where it has the credentials and everything that you need to log in. So really, that's it. And we're going to have a fabulous, amazing time being creative together and doing all these things that we did in person, but now we can do it in isolation from the comfort of our home in our sweatpants. So it's like awesome. So anyway, I hope to see you guys soon. If you have any questions, just feel free to email me at stephanie@artforpaws.com and I'll include a link. Thanks guys, see you soon.